It's called Gizmo Guy. It's a pretty cool, nifty gadget if you're into music and you got an older car, doesn't have Bluetooth, and you want to play some music and stream. Plug it in, and it's working. And you can switch it really easy with just one click on your phone. And it works amazing. I mean, the sound is like radio quality. It's CD quality. It's clear. I don't notice any distortion. I don't notice any kind of hiss or pops or nothing. It's a great product. So definitely worth checking it out.
By Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
And you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your radio, then this gadget is an ultimate alternative. No static, nothing. Nice and clear, crisp. You guys, real-time review. Happy with the product.
Everything works great. Everything is crystal clear. And I can't say enough about this product.
So this device truly does the job. I can play Pandora, everything. I've driven around town. No problems with any static whatsoever.
Thank you for coming out with this product. I love it. I recommend it to anybody. So please do yourself a favor. Try it. It really works. All right, guys. I love it, man. God bless you all. Buy the product and enjoy it. Have a good one. Bye.
Thank you for watching. To find out more about my product or to make a purchase of my product, please go to iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, or click on the link below to find out more or to make a purchase of my product. I guarantee you that this will be the best gadget that you get this year. For more information about the product or to make a purchase, please check out my website at iPhone-FM-transmitter.com, iPhone-FM-transmitter.com.